Sermon number 141. Against reliance on heresy. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A people. If a person knows his brother to be steadfast in faith and of correct ways, he should not lend ear to what people may say about him. Sometimes the bowman shoots arrows but the arrow goes astray. Similarly, talk can be off the point. Its wrong perishes, while Allah is the hearer and the witness. There is nothing between truth and falsehood except 4 fingers. Amir al-Mu'mineen was asked the meaning of this, whereupon he closed his fingers together and put them between his ear and eye and said, "It is falsehood when you say, 'I have heard so,' while it is truth when you say, 'have seen.'"